Most beginners are not failing because they're lazy. They're failing because they're overwhelmed. And honestly, that was me too. I spent months watching videos about AI, online business, Canva, digital products, passive income, and somehow I felt more confused every single day. Every creator sounded advanced. Every tutorial moved too fast. Every video made it feel like everyone else already understood everything except me. And maybe you felt that too, like you're already behind, like technology is moving too fast, like you missed your chance. But here's what finally changed everything for me. I stopped trying to learn everything and focused on learning one simple workflow. That's when AI finally started making sense. A lot of people trying to start an online business right now are emotionally exhausted. They're watching hundreds of videos, saving tutorials, buying courses, starting over constantly, and deep down, they're not actually confused about success. They're confused about where to start because the internet makes everything feel complicated, especially AI, especially digital products, especially an online business. And the truth is, most beginners don't need more information. They need clarity, simplicity, structure, and confidence. That's it. I remember opening Canva one day and honestly just staring at the screen. I had all these ideas, ebooks, templates, guides, digital products. But my brain felt completely frozen. I kept thinking, what if I do it wrong? What if nobody buys it? What if I'm too old for this? What if everyone else is already ahead of me? And the worst part, I kept comparing myself to creators who had years of experience. Meanwhile, I was just trying to understand basic workflows. That comparison keeps a lot of beginners stuck, because when you constantly compare your beginning to someone else's middle, you start believing you can't do this, but that's not true. Here's what finally helped me make progress. Instead of trying to master AI, I started using AI like an assistant. That one mindset shift changed everything. I stopped asking, how do I become an AI expert? And started asking, how can AI help me finish one simple project? That's a completely different mindset. So instead of building a massive business overnight, I focused on creating one ebook, one guide, one printable, one digital product, and suddenly things stopped feeling impossible because simple progress creates confidence, not perfection. Here's the exact beginner workflow I wish someone had given me earlier. Step 1, pick one simple product idea, not 10, not 20. 1, maybe a checklist, a planner, a beginner's guide, a meal tracker, a budget sheet, a Canva template. Simple wins first. Step 2, use AI to help organize your ideas. Not replace you. Help you, you can ask AI. Create an outline. Generate ideas, simplify explanations. Brainstorm titles, create sections. Step 3, take that information into Canva. And this is where beginners finally realize something important. You do not need graphic design experience. You don't need expensive software. You don't need to be good with technology. You just need repetition. That's it. The people succeeding online are not always smarter. A lot of them simply stay consistent longer. And honestly, that's why I think so many overwhelmed beginners quit too early. Not because they can't do it, but because they emotionally convince themselves they can't. There's a huge difference. The internet has made people believe they need advanced systems, complicated funnels, expensive tools, perfect branding, massive audiences before they even begin. But most successful creators started messy. Most successful creators were confused in the beginning. Most successful creators felt overwhelmed too. You're seeing their polished middle, not their uncertain beginning. And maybe this is the part you need to hear most right now. You are not behind. You are learning. There's a difference. The fact that you're still trying, still watching, still searching for answers means you haven't given up on yourself yet. That matters more than you think, because confidence doesn't appear first. Progress creates confidence. One completed project creates confidence. One uploaded product creates confidence. One finished video creates confidence. And eventually, those small wins stop feeling small. So if AI feels overwhelming right now, simplify the process. Stop trying to master everything at once. Focus on one workflow, one product, one platform, one small win. Because little consistent progress changes people faster than overwhelming information ever will. And honestly, you might be much closer than you think. If you feel overwhelmed, stuck, or alone trying to figure all of this out, I take a much more beginner-friendly approach than most creators. If you're willing to do the work, I'll help keep you moving forward.